Hi everybody, Paul here. I want to show you the most common cause of household electrical problems, and it has to do with switches and outlets. Before I go any further, if you're going to work on a switch or outlet that's already connected to a breaker panel, make sure you first turn off the appropriate breaker. And double check that the voltage is turned off by turning on the switch. Or by checking the outlet with a voltage tester, or by plugging something into it that you know for sure works. After turning off the appropriate breaker and double checking that the voltage is off, you can then remove the faceplate to gain access to remove the switch or outlet. When it comes to a switch or an outlet, attaching the wires to the side screws is where the problems occur. If not enough insulation is removed from the wire, then once the end of the wire is made into a half circle and placed around the screw, the wire will not make full contact with the screw once it's fastened down. This is because of having insulation between the wire and the screw, which will lead to arcing and overheating. Eventually it will fail and won't work. Here's an example of a correctly installed wire to the side screw of an outlet. As you can see, the proper amount of insulation was removed from the wire, allowing full contact with the wire and the screw with it fastened down. To avoid this problem, always make sure to remove enough insulation from the wire. You may even have a strip gauge on the back of the switch or outlet like you see here. Simply slide the wire into the strip gauge until it stops and remove the insulation at the outer edge of the receptacle. As you can see, the proper amount of insulation has now been removed. Now twist the exposed wire into a half circle. Now place the wire around the screw with the end of the wire facing to the right. This way when it's fastened down, it'll pull the end of the wire in the same clockwise rotation direction as the screw. Depending on the type of switch or outlet, you may have the option of attaching the wires to holes in the back like you see here, 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 and here, which is a much more user-friendly system and less time-consuming. All you have to do is trim the insulation off the wire and push the wire straight into the hole. If not enough insulation is trimmed off, it will not hold the wire firmly in place. Depending on the type of system the back holes have on the switch or outlet, it'll either grab the wire when you push it in, or it'll clamp down on the wire when the side screw is fastened down. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.